PLTK is in a bearish trend. Its 200-day moving average, and indeed its 40 and 21-day moving averages are sloping bearishly lower. On the 27th of February this year, 2025, the company's earnings disclosure was a miss, and we've seen the stock plunge all the way down to 4.01. But since when? Since Friday, the 21st of March, roughly about a week ago, the strength has returned. Strength has returned, and we have here this upper projection of 6.91, but there's also a downward projection of 4.53. If we have a look at its 45, at its 4 hour chart, we can see there are a couple of projections. Let's begin with the downward ones. We have 4.15, 4.31, 4.63, and then upper projections. These ones have they just started to print. Maybe we might see more of them. We have 6.55, 7.13, and 7.7. So let's return to the daily chart. On the daily chart, the algos behind this projections didn't take into account this 6.8 this difference between the difference between 6.87 here. This roughly where this um, sustained projection is 6.88, and then this low of 4.01. It didn't take it hasn't taken that into account. So what we have done so now, and going by that, we have even more ambitious upper projections. 9.87. 9.87 will be probably 52-week high or something like that, something close to that. 9.87, 12.76, 15.66. So we can scroll back and see where those highs. Okay, no, that's not 9.87 will not be a 52-week high. No, it might be. It might be. Let's see. We have because nine. That's this is 9.07. Let's see now. This is January. This is 2024. Yeah. So we are projecting 52-week highs. We're projecting 52-week highs. And notice a pattern here. We have a cycle that began on, this cycle began on the 15th of April. Yeah, it's clear to see, this is one wave, second wave, first wave up to here, up to this peak 908, and then second wave, which is one half of a cycle, and then you have another wave, and then another wave, and then when you thought that maybe another cycle is about to begin because a cycle has just been completed with 4 waves, then suddenly this is even before the 13th. For some reason, maybe market participants were a bit skeptical, and then we've seen it plunge all the way down to 4.01, and rebounding again. So could it be that this is the start of the continuation of this uptrend? Could it be that that will be the case? And before that time as well, the 200-day moving average seemed to be sustaining a decent amount of bullish indication. So if you didn't know what the company does, the company is an Israeli-based mobile game developer that owns a portfolio of casual and social casino-themed games and distributes them through web, mobile, and direct-to-consumer platforms. And on Wednesday, the 25th of March, I believe, the Bank of America double upgraded the stock to a buy from underperform, and upped their price target to 6.5 from $6. Okay, so the company also noted that Playtika has the highest profitability in the industry with 30% earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization margins, and is the industry's largest direct-to-consumer platform. It noted that the company has 3 of the largest and longest-running franchises in mobile game history. Okay, things the downside to the shares is limited to the 12 months cash free flow yields remaining at an all time high of 21% and 9% dividend yield. So, okay, the recent price dislocation has been driven by the exit of a large shareholder in low trading and low trading liquidity concerns that Playtika's transition to growth has taken long, and investor preference for mobile ad network assets over publishers, and investors' preference for mobile ad network assets over publishers. Okay, yeah. So that's what's going on with PLTK. We have ambitious upper projections all the way towards 9.87. All of this 9.87 will be a 52-week high. 12.76 indeed it would if a 52-week high 15.66. But if you go by what's been going on with the stock, especially what we just read out now, what are the odds that we're going to see this sort of projections? We can just really do more research and find out. Let's see what the float is. Okay, not the low float, not the low float. Okay, let's see what the short interest is. Let's see what. Okay, 9.24. So, in any case, see what you make of PLTK. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.